population. In this paragraph, we are going to study about the distribution of the population. It means that in the whole world, how population is uneven. Means most of the areas, some areas are some areas the highly density and some areas are low density. Means that the population distribution on this earth is uneven. So we have to study the world population. The chapter here is that world population is distribution, stability, and growth. So in this chapter, we study about the distribution of the population in the on this earth. Density, where finding that is the area, and where is low density area, and what is the growth rate of the population? Where is the population is? Growth rate of the population is higher. With that birth rate, death rate is higher. So we have to study this sort of line that and now we talk about study. Now this chapter, global population as navigable. In this next following that of trade, with that, we study that about in 2020, the whole world population was 7.7 billion. At that time, however, vast number is uneven and distributed across the globe. Some regions are densely packed while other remain sparsely populated. Let's explore where why and why a book of providing insight into our demographic landscape. With that, in that, people are studying about that where is population is hiding and where is population is low. So we come to know that the population, we study the population by some area, I can see tanks and by some area, especially populated. Now, next is we come to know that highly populated concentration. High population concentration. Second area on Earth has most significant portion of the global population. So for me, where the demography comes. Means that second area on the Earth, second place on the Earth that are still highly populated. Very highly populated and it's called demographic now. Demographic means that the population will high. The study of population is called demographic study. So in demographic study, we study the three things. Okay, we talk about gender, population, labor, where I live, and then that's why is that according to the age, we should have data of the population. So that's why Asia is in Asia, most demographic giants like China and India, these two countries, China, India, and Japan, in India, that have very high density population. We know what doesn't have that particular fertile land. We are land of development for agriculture. Now, it's it has to go this of wow, second. Then women, the name of women, being the started from being from there thought ago. Women are very well about Systematic civilization, Harappa civilization that started from India, in China, the Low civilization, and China had the same kind of this. So that by looking the whole of the federal, where population settled very fast because it supported our line and there is a fertile land that is favorable for population, which one come to the world. Even Europe, Western in the world, means that whole part like that, England, this level, England, France, Germany, all this area. This area is available for population growth. The reason behind that industrialization and favorable climate and municipal training. You know very well that in before America from Asia or from India, that we have to go through the Europe. And Europe climate is very good and supportive. And let's be back in the world, in the civilization is not from Britain and Germany. We think the reason behind that most of the people can migrate there. And in the migrate there, we think much of job in now today. Everyone want to get job, to get a future. Because here in the very good, the education facility is very good infrastructure that will support a good life. Next one is that North America, we know very well that everybody will have a wish that everyone should go. One who go to settle America because they have very good infrastructure, good technology that affect all over the world population to settle there. Even in China, Japan, you can live there all over the world population can live there. I am living there. Everybody, even Indian, Japanese, Chinese, they want to settle in America because of their technology and environment. So instead of particularly, the instead north going is densely populated due to the global economic opportunity and infrastructure. Instead, part of this bag, this area, just like that thing to work out, you know, that area is populated. Those area, most of the big cities are metropolitan like here, like Texas or Washington. Now, we come to the next topic is that region is based on population. We come to the meaning of this word research. Those parts where land population, where entity narrow, where nobody want to live. So these are the area where these are the area called desert area, hot desert, and densely followed these three area where nobody want to live. This land, you see, this is the islands with the glacier part and where nobody want to live. Next one is that desert place. Nobody want to live in a desert. And here, in the world desert area, in Antarctica and Siberia. Antarctica and Siberia are those parts of the Russia where temperature is below or above below of 20 degrees, minus 20 degrees. With that, so all the year it is covered to the glacier or ice. So it is not good for people. Next one is Antarctica. It is unfavorable to be because of extreme cold throughout the year. So on research point of view, sometimes may live here. Next one is third desert area, Sahara and Australian outback. These are the area where minimum population due to the intense heat Ability and explore border. Here there is a lack of water facility, infrastructure, and very high temperature. So nobody got to be. Next one is giant soil, who know very well, and the giant policy, and the giant people, which that like who make water soil, it is for the love of the earth. These areas are deep forests are so dark that even outside players cannot pass through them. We say it is a very high density water. Deeply considerable. So we are it is very hard for people to be because of the water. Unconditional. Well, living. Next one is that factor inverting distribution and physical involvement. What are the factors that impact on human or compared people who live? What are the factors for the physical character of movement? The physical character of reason play a fundamental role in determining human settlement patterns. With that, the physical character of movement play a fundamental role in determining human settlement. With that, physical character means that very high temperature, very high level, I think in extreme conditions, very high level, very high heat, very high rain, so that kind of area extreme, everything in extreme, so that by nobody to be there. Next one is climate. Climate also affects the population. Now, you see that moderate climate, ample rainfall, comfortable temperature, and that high population. With that, where moderate, not so much temperature high, not so low, not everything is moderate. So, where the one is there, and those things are very complicated. Next one is topography. Topography means that plain area. Because plain area when it's available for activity for farming, so that's why people want to build. And this area are very fertile because of the movement, basically. So most of the area they are favorable to build with the proper grassing. Next one is soil. Soil properties are very important because of the fertility and productivity. That's why alluvial soil, one of the best soil that produce a very good water, a very good result of in farming. So everywhere is high quality and good quality of soil is found that are favorable and where people want to settle. So next is water availability. It is one of the important factors that influence population. Water availability of water, that is one of the options that most of the people, because we survival, because survival of human being is need of water. Next one is that factor influencing distribution. Human impact. What are the factors, what are the causes that distribute the human population or that affect human population? So there are two factors. One is economic factor, other one is social political factor. Beyond nature means that human activity and society also brings shape of the population. And economic factor is agriculture, where That area is farming opportunity, that population in that way, in that way also attract population to work because they get job employment. Next one is transport. Transportation facility is also favorable for population because people may go on place to another place very easily. For that, well connected community. If one part to other part is very well connected, then the movement of population is very. Next one is peace and stability. People want that where you live, there should be peace and stability in that country. Next thing, point to government policy of population favorable for population. Where government policies go, where people should go, and people migrate to go there. So it also influences where is good governance, good electricity, 24 hours of electricity. If electricity is there, air handling, industry, if industry will be developed, then population will also increase because of the search of job. And next one is cultural. Cultural activity also affect the population. Those area where you just like you see in a Ajmer Jaga, where that area is very highly populated because of the Ajmer Jaga, because of the need of the poor. And in also India, most of the time they also affect the and you may say that it's environment. This Bible also affects population. Just about you know that in a whole week, Diwali have that most of the foreigners they come and they see the population of they see the people activity in the it means that all these things attract outside. Next one is understanding population density. Population density. We can understand through the this example that will be better. Example. Here is two blocks, two rooms, a room, or room. Both have same areas. In one a room, there is 1,000 people in it. But in same area, other place, where same, area same. But here, 1,000 people live, here 1,000 people live. So we is higher than this. So population density means how concentrated the population is in a given area. It is calculated by population density divided. Population density is calculated by the population, total population of that country divided area. Means that if population of that country is 1 lakh and it is divided by 100, it will be done. Okay? So then whatever we give, that is called population density. And then you square of means and there 100 to 0 something. Means that 10 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 10 kilometers. 10 people, 1 kilometer, in 1 kilometer. In a 1 kilometer, there will be 10 people. The next one is that highly this example. Here, you shall see that India, Bangladesh, where is very highly populated area because of the source agriculture productivity and food soil, quality of soil, there is high population being or population in Japan because of the technology and development. And Netherlands has also very high population density because of the small country with advanced economy and rural urbanization. You can take the example of China also. China has very good population because of its technology and advancement. Now, look at the example of modernizing of countries, that's right, between Russia and China. They are there in harsh climate and vast farming. Meaning that Myanmar, most of the area is not there in that place and it is unfavorable place to live there. So that's why people don't live here. Next one is Namibia. It is the desert place. There you never water, that's living and transport and resources. I play I play in the place that is full of welcoming foods. People may welcome, welcome, beautiful, and unfavorable condition to live. When we see that global population growth, you see that one child, one in single. We can see that the child started friendly. We see this is what happened. We see that in 1800, the world population was 1 million. The population was 1 billion. And in 1930, the population became slightly almost but in around 1960, the population becomes 3 billion. Means that in 118 to 119, means 130 years, within 130 years, population become double. From 1930 to 16, the population is also grown. And in 1975, the population grew fast. In 1980, the population became 6 billion. In 2020, the world population became 7.79 billion. Means that world population within 100 years, the world population become double after doing its 30 years. And this way, the population of the world becoming 5 times fast. Why the reason behind that? The reason behind that, advantage in the medicine and reduce mortality rates. Because of the increase of the medical facility, so that's why mortality rate become high. We don't know. Next one is 10% growth rate. Population growth varies significantly between developed and developing nations. Means that in some developed countries, they have a low growth rate. Developing countries, they have a high growth rate of population. Seen in developing nations, high what we see in developing nation, high birth rate and improving. So, if the developing healthcare leading large youth population means that like India, Nigeria, Pakistan, these countries are developing nations where birth rate is high and here developing healthcare facilities and medical facilities. So that's why the population increase very fast. Where low and never growth countries like where the first rate visualize, where birth rate is decreasing due to social or economic factors. Due to aging population, where population becomes poor. Because they are very developed and there are so many people in India that they don't want to get buried in their country. That's like Japan, Germany, United Kingdom. In this country, the population is very slow. Never mind. They can pay unlimited. I would. What means? Indian distribution. We that on the English and population is not uniformly sphere wide. It sphere in different way. Some are highly developed, highly dense population. Some are less. In the interacting factor, these are the factors that are playing water, or women typically outdoor demand that so that hospital factor that also determine the population distribution. Time of slow bar will also impact the population growth. With that, rapid developing country while can stabilize urban declining development. Understanding this dynamic and crucial for sustainable development and resource management in our interconnected world. So, development also play a very important factor to affect the population and affect the population. This global factor Alexa, go back to the morning. May